Hello, welcome. This is hourly news from GTV team. We have received information that the military action at Yakutia is increasing rapidly. The action began in December 2022, and now is like they preparing the military for imminent action. This is our professor, Miss Alexandria Nokovi. Hello, Professor.
Good afternoon, Trenton.
Is there any chances that they can launch the attack?
There is probable chances because from my perspective,
This is not a drill.
The national Gernorian government has declared war on Yakutia. We are ready to implode Yakutia and bring back glory to the country.
Попередження. Ми перериваємо ваше звичайне програмування. Warning. We are interrupting your normal program. We have received information from the Ministry of Defense. Gernoria launching an attack on the south coast. All is advised to take shelter immediately. Please take this seriously.